Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.6 question 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. So the problem is given to us. We have to form the pair of equations and then we have to find their solutions. Finding the solution means finding the value of the variable. So let's see the first problem. That is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 22 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So here two things we have to find out. Find her speed of rowing the boat and the speed of the current. So these two speed we have to find out. So Ritu is rowing the boat. So in downstream, the speed is 20 km in 2 hours, and in upstream she is rowing the boat 4 km in 2 hours. So we have to find out the speed of her rowing the boat and speed of the current. So one more thing we have to understand also, what is downstream and what is upstream. So this also we have to understand. So now what we have to find, that we keep it as x and y. So we'll keep the speed of Ritu as x and the speed of the current as y. So we let the speed of Ritu as x kilometer per hour. So we have to find out the speed of Ritu. So we keep it that x kilometer per hour she is rowing the boat. And the speed of the current is y kilometer per hour. So we keep it, what we have to find, we have kept x and y. Now another thing what you have to understand is, I said about the downstream and upstream. Now what is the meaning of downstream and upstream? Downstream means the direction of the boat and the direction of the water is same. So same direction where the water is flowing, that same direction boat is being rowing the boat. So this is called a downstream. And upstream means the direction of the boat is one side and the current of the water is another side, the flowing of the water, right? Opposite direction. Upstream means rowing the boat one direction and the flow of the water is another direction. Downstream means both are in the same direction. So when we have to calculate speed of the downstream, so we have to calculate the speed of the boat and the speed of the water flowing. So that means we said the speed of rowing the boat is x, we said, and the speed of the current will keep it as y. So that means same direction, so you have to plus it. So when it comes to downstream, when we have to calculate the speed, then we have to calculate both the speed of the boat and the speed of the current. So we add x plus y. In this condition, the boat is one direction and the current of flowing water is another direction. So here what we do, we have to minus. So when we have to calculate the speed of the upstream, in the upstream water, when we have to calculate, we have to minus from one speed another one because both are opposite direction. In downstream, when we calculate the speed of then we have to calculate the speed of the boat and the speed of the water. Both are in the same direction. So here we add them up. So that means the speed in downstream, just now I explained to you, speed in downstream is x plus y, because we have to calculate speed in downstream of the speed of Ritu and the speed of the current. Both we have to calculate. So in downstream it will be added. In upstream we have to minus. So this part is clear. So now we come to the formula. For the formula for the speed, for speed formula is s equal to d upon t. Whenever speed comes, you have to use this formula for the calculation. S stands for speed, D for distance, T for time. Because when we calculate the speed, how we calculate how much distance it traveled and how much of time it took, all that comes to the speed. Then only we will say it is the speed is fast or slow. All that we come to know when we have a distance and the time. So speed means it has to do with the distance upon time. So this is the formula. So now let's we have to find out first case, what is the speed in downstream. So speed is what for downstream? for the speed in downstream, we have to calculate for S is x plus y equal to distance is what? In downstream, 20 kilometer she was traveling. 20 kilometer she was rowing the boat. And time was in 2 hours of time. Okay, so in the place of S, we have written the speed in downstream, that is x plus y, and distance was 20 kilometer. She was rowing the boat in downstream, and in 2 hours, time is 2. So now, if we cancel this, we will get 10 times. So this will be our equation, x plus y equal to 10. So this becomes equation 1. In second case, speed in upstream. So when we have to calculate about the speed in upstream, so S will be x minus y, and the distance 4 kilometers she was rowing the boat, and the time she took, how much of time? Upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours, downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So upstream it is 4 kilometer in 2 hours. So 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So if you cancel 2 times, so our formula will be x minus y equal to 2. This is our equation 2. So let's add both the equation. Add the equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 10. Equation 2, x minus y equal to 2. So now if you see, this is in plus, this is in minus. So let's get cancelled. So we will have 2x equal to, this is we are adding, so it will be plus. So 10 plus 2, 12. So x equal to 12. This is in multiplication, will come to the division. So that means x value is 6. So let's put x equal to x in equation 2. So equation 2 is what? X minus y equal to 2. X value is 6. So 6 minus y equal to 2. Let's keep y here only. Plus 6 when it comes here, minus 6. So 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 4. So that means x is what? X is what? Speed of Ritu, x is kilometer per hour, and speed of current is y kilometer per hour. Hence the speed of Ritu is, x is 6 kilometer per hour, and the speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. That's our answer. Thank you. God bless.